learned how to be consistent with those tight, close to the net second balls.
Sinadya yun. Sabi ni Mai, ulitin ko yan mamaya. Tingnan nyo. Sadya yan. She gets the help of the net as we take a look at it once again. Yan naman. And yung radio, nagulat.
Gapang shot. Patrona dancing the tinikling and Tabaquero. One arms it out.
Mai Prochina.
Boy, this game all tied up together at 10 apiece.
Mai, our bemedaled player.
Winning both all the available medals.
Colors.
Yep.
In all colors.
Different shines.
Yes.
From 3 different SEA
Paano
games.
hindi iba-iba yung pang shine nun, di ba?
Oo.
Pang silver, pang gold, pang bronze. Don't look now.
Navy's in front.
Yep. Galido still on the line.
Galido's all business. C, close to the net. Serafica. In.
Eulalio said, teka muna. Sobra na yan So she gets a B quick.
Axel, official outfit of the Shakey's B League players, officials, and anybody walking around on the court.
And Prochina getting that point of a push. Yan ang mahirap when you have veterans in front. Hindi mo pwedeng labanan yan, i-outsmart yan sa
They've seen
net.
everything.
Yeah.
They've seen everything.
They would know how to deal with your mga net tricks.
Yung mga papektos, pa-drop-drop mo dyan. Nicely done, but picked up beautifully by Tabaquero. Ivy Remulla, cross-court. Still alive, still alive. Whoa, muntik magkasapulan sa panga doon. See the quick down and out.
And Mai Prochina taking care of that problem. Alam niya na kung saan pupunta.
Hindi lang niya pwedeng gawin yung ginagawa niya nung araw na pwede pa niyang talakan. Diba?
Ngayon kasi kailangan nakatalikod
May
ka. Pwede ka
decorum.
tumalak-talak pero nakatalikod.
That you enjoy that moment. Huh? Nicely done! Oh, well done!
So Giselle has not done that, at least in the last set.
Don't you
pero
just,
ngayon,
if you're on the other side, don't you just hate it? This cherubic looking face, this angelic face is doing this to you.
kanina, first set, meron yan. And then, na-silence ng konti. And now, Giselle with the dump ball once again.
Oh, well done.
Laborte with that save.
Just missed. Just missed.
Patrona going wide.
But that was started by Cheryl Laborte. That was a play that was started by Cheryl. And look at who's the assistant to the corner person.
Ate.
Mick. Different generations, ano ha? Ivy going cross court. Tabaquero spinning around.
Patrona making sure this time she had a better angle.
Saka in the clear eh. In the clear. All business din itong alin to.
Yep.
Gusto na rin mo eh. Rosale got to it.
Diego there.
Oh, well done.
And Tabaquero. That deserves a second look, Seb. Look at Adjo.
You know, we've been kidding our director, but that's an excellent close-up. That zoom in and zooming out, we see exactly where the ball lands. Second appearance now for Gretel de Posoy, pulling out Joan Carpio.
Free ball now given to FEU Compass. Good coverage. Oh, that's going to be a long one.
Yep. I was looking very closely at I was quiet for a while because of Giselle C. Because she's so small, she can get away with many things eh.
Close ko,
she
diba?
doesn't
Na hindi
need-
tinawag.
Yeah, he doesn't require too much space also. Oh, this woman has been pounding it hard.
And I'm
Palma.
sure all smiles itong si Coach Nes Pamilar dahil ito sa project, alam mo na na ito, naku, makikinabahan ko.
Eto na. Labas ko na ito. Wala na ako magagawa. Labas na to. Close and tight. 16-15. Navy ahead by 1.